Hello friend, I'm Samadhi back to with a new tutorial video regarding reinforced material. In my last video I talked about the grid of concrete. In case you missed this video, then definitely go and check out. Either click to I button, nahi to go to check out my playlist section. You will find my last video. As my earlier video, I told you that r.c.c have a two part. One is concrete and one is reinforced material, that is steel. So in this video we'll talk why steel as a reinforced material and what is the need of this reinforced material. This is our aim. Today we'll learn number one, why we need of reinforced material, and number two, what is and why steel is only one participant. So let's understand one by one. First, we understand what is the purpose. मतलब यार क्यों चाहिए मुझे? तुम्हें एक मोबाइल चाहिए 80,000 का, बट क्यों चाहिए भाई? इज इट नेसेसिटी? ठीक वैसे ही we have to understand what is the purpose of reinforced material in RCC. See, if I draw the basic diagram, that is, this is your beam and load is applied in this way, then definitely this is your bending profile. This zone compression will occur and this zone tension will occur. So in compression कौन लेता है? सीमेंट लेता है, वो तो हम बात कर लिया. Now we'll talk about the tension. ये कौन लेगा भाई? I mean to compression लेता है concrete. So purpose number one, we need a material who can take the tensile force. We need a material which can reduce size and shape of section while using PCC. While we using PCC, the section is too large, whereas RCC section is so small. Number three, we need a material which can give you more strength as well as reduce the size and shape. We need a one material which can prevent the crack. We need a one material which is some extent to ductile. That means no sudden what? Failure. That is the purpose of a material who can take tensile force, reduce size and shape, increasing the strength, protect or prevent the crack, that means reducing the crack, and definitely some extent it is provide some ductility. So these are some 5 points which is purpose. Now we talk about why reinforced material is needed. Why not other material? Why not other material? Number one, these kind of reinforced material are good in tension. So our first point is satisfied. Point number two, they are provide better bond with concrete. So better bond means better load transfer, and better bond means better strength. Number 3, these are easily available. Number 4, thermal expansion. Thermal expansion is almost same. Number 5, these are very much economical. Number 6, they are easily handy. So good in tensile strength, first point satisfied. Reducing size and shape because they are better bonding, load transfer, so more strength. Acha, easily available, it's okay. Then thermal expansion almost same. So you may ask, sir, if thermal expansion not same, then what happened? I give you one example. This is one metal, this is another metal, and you provided heat. If alpha 1, alpha 2 is your thermal expansion of first material, second material. If alpha 1 greater than alpha 2, then if you heat this material, then this is more expand, this is less expand. So, do you want this thing in our building? I think not. That is why we find some material whose thermal expansion is almost same. So, these all things are satisfied by reinforced material. So, now this is clear why we need reinforced material, why and what is the purpose to in search for the reinforced material. Now we talk about why we choose steel. First, basic few point: easily available, easily workable, again economical. These are few basic point. Now, now we talk about some important point. Let's get understand one by one. Number 4, they are great. They are great in tensile force. So, and also great in compressive force. Fortunately, they are showing good bond with concrete. Number 6, no brittle failure. That means they are ductile nature. They are before cracking they provide some expansion. So they are provide you warning before failure. So hence again we match with this point. A definite ductile, that means they are preventing the crack also. They have a longer life. So that is why. And one more thing, almost same what? Thermal expansion. So these are the few points why we choose the steel. But every coin has a side. Every people has a two side, evil and God. So if these are all the advantages or good sign, there are some bad sign. There are some bad sign. If steel react with water and moisture, then what happen? What happen? Rust occur. If rust occur, then what happen? Volume increases as well as strength decreases. That is the biggest disadvantages to using the steel. And another is a very mild disadvantage. If temperature is very much high, that time strength of steel reducing, but that is the very rare situation. So yeah, this is the whole video where I talk about the reinforced material, where I discuss what is the purpose, why we choose a reinforced material, and why we choose the steel, and then we talk about some good points, some bad points regarding the steel. Hope that is clear for you. So in case any case of doubt, do comment in comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. Next video we'll talk about type of steel used in r.c.c. That will be my next topic. Hope you enjoyed. So, and one more thing, if you enjoyed this video, definitely like the video, and if you feel you learned something new from this video, then definitely share this thing from your friends and circle, because knowledge is the ultimate thing. It can help you to survive from any kind of situation. And with this said, thank you for watching this video.